La Brea Tar Pits is an active paleontological research site in urban Los Angeles, discovered in 1769 by a Spanish explorer. The tar pits have formed over more than 40,000 years due to cracks in the coastal plain. They are the only active urban fossil dig site in the world, where plants and animals from the last 50,000 years are discovered every day. The bubbles are of methane, colorless and odorless gas, and hydrogen sulfide. Brea is Spanish for tar.